Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a um Brussels sprout and pomegranate. I keep forgetting the word. Salad. It is so easy, so delicious. There's no baking, no cooking, nothing. It's just basically chopping. I'm telling you, even people that do not like Brussels sprouts will devour this salad. So this is a salad definitely worthy of being on your holiday tables. Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever holidays you celebrate, this salad needs to be there. All right, let's get started.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters on